There we go. Oh, I've already got some out, didn't I? Get some more out. I've already got some on the table. Yes, when I've done the reindeer, I'll before the next screen, I'll draw out a snowflake, so it's symmetrical, and then we'll do a snowflake next. And then I think that might be enough things. Or maybe do a Santa head actually. Oh, and a stocking. We've done a stocking, have we? So a Santa head. Oh, so right, we'll do a snowflake. Then oh no, penguin we're doing next, aren't we? Sorry, see, I've forgotten already. Penguin next. Go and relax for a bit. Anxiety. Oh no. Okay. Okay, you take care too, Minimal. Go and have a nice relax. You relax. And I'll talk to you later. Go and make one of your special sandwiches. Anyone new coming in, if you want to say hi in the chat, please do. Don't bite. It's okay if you don't know, if you just want to watch, that's fine. Anyone who's just come in, we're doing a reindeer to go on our large Christmas wall decoration that we're making. It's going to have lots of Christmas elements attached around the outside of it. And this just freestyled this copper wire reindeer. It's one of the elements to go on the outside. am running a competition to win a Christmas alligator, which will be a copper wire alligator that you can hang on your tree. All you need to do is follow me, and then when I've finished doing this project, I will make a Christmas alligator on a stream and then draw a follower's name out of a bag to win the Christmas alligator. If I've got more than 50 followers by then I will make 2 or 3 Christmas alligators and give them away. So if you fancy winning a Christmas alligator for your tree, then yeah, that's it. Mishi, the Christmas gator. I'm still... How are you today, Mishi? Are you having a good day? Good, working from home, just started my day. All right, cool. We're doing the reindeer at the moment. What's the weather like where you are, Mishi? It's absolutely belting it down with rain here. It's not cold, it's just, you know, just nice, but it's absolutely belting it down with rain. I'm surprised. Well, if I didn't have this microphone, if I had a normal microphone, I think, you know, didn't have this one on the front. If I had a normal big microphone, I think you'd better hear it. It's so loud. Humidity and hot, no rain yet. Oh. Yeah, it's quite humid. I've got the patio doors open. It's quite humid, but it's just belting it down. But all the birds are out. All the birds are out on the bird feeder, and they just keep shaking themselves every so often because obviously they're getting soaked. But it's not going to stop them eating. .30 a.m. here, and already 33. Wow. Now I think it's 20 here, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. But it would be hotter if we didn't have the rain. A lot hotter, because it has been. But the last week it's been raining. Thank you. I'm still chasing my elusive 50 followers so that I can give out VIPs. Good morning, McCoy Glass. How are you doing? Have you been streaming today? Did I watch you today or was it yesterday? Can't remember now. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Just saying, I'm still chasing my elusive 50 followers so that I can give people VIPs. Oh, not today.